Hello students, so as you all know that we were doing the chapter keeping our environment clean, so I'm going to teach you today something new which will help you to create your environment clean, right? So this is something there, it is also called 3 R's. So 3R means recycle, reduce and reuse. So recycle means something which you are recycling it, you are disposing it so that you can recycle it and make it something new. तो जैसे disposal हो गया, या फिर plastics हो गए, cans हो गए, anything which you can recycle, है ना, which you can dispose and you can create something new out of that, so that is called recycle. And then we have reduce. So reduce is totally on us, that how you are reducing things, like reducing as in that, suppose I'm continuously using something which is very very harmful for the harmful for the environment, like plastics. Take a plastic bags, polythene. So these plastic polythenes are very very harmful for the environment, and we are using it, right? But now the government has and came with an idea that you're only allowed to use paper bags, है ना. सो अब क्या हुआ, दैट वी हैव रिड्यूस्ड. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या कर दिया, रिड्यूस कर दिया किस चीज़ को, प्लास्टिक के यूज़ को. हमने प्लास्टिक थिंग्स हम बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते थे, अब हमने उसको रिड्यूस कर दिया. एंड नाउ वी आर एंड वी विल यूज़ पेपर बैग्स. ठीक है, या फिर रग बैग्स भी होते हैं, तो वी आर यूजिंग दैट. सो इसे कहते हैं एक रिड्यूस में ये आ गया. एंड देन वी हैव रीयूज. So suppose there are so many things at your home that you can reuse it once again. There are so many clothes you can reuse. There are so many plastic things which you can reuse. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, जैसे suppose you can make हाँ, तो जैसे सब बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स होती हैं. जैसे ये जस्ट ये मेरे दिमाग में अभी क्लिक हुआ दैट देयर आर सो मेनी प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स. बट इफ़ यू नोटिस कि बहुत सारे लोग उन प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स का क्या करते हैं, उसमें मिट्टी डाल के दे ग्रो प्लांट इन इट, है ना. सो वी रीयूज्ड इट. तो मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया है, एंड आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट कि मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल्स ही ज़्यादा दूँ ताकि आपको ये 3R समझ में आए. ठीक है, तो इस रीयूज़ में क्या हुआ, दैट वो प्लास्टिक बैग्स का आपने, सॉरी प्लास्टिक बॉटल का क्या किया आपने, उसको आपने पॉट बना दिया और वहाँ पे एक प्लांट ग्रो किया. तो इससे क्या हुआ, इन्वायरमेंट को बहुत हेल्प हुआ, और इन्वायरमेंट को बहुत हेल्प हुआ. और हमने एक रीयूज़ भी किया. हमने क्या रीयूज़ किया, हमने प्लास्टिक बॉटल को हमने रीयूज़ किया. सो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं विच यू कैन डू. आप भी अपने एग्जाम्पल्स मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आर मोस्ट वेलकम. यू कैन व्हाट्सएप मी योर एग्जाम्पल्स और एनी आइडिया जो आपको लगता है कि ये शेयर किया जा सकता है मैम के साथ, तो यू कैन डू इट. एंड वॉट, और यहाँ पे डू यू नो इट इज़ रिटन दैट सिंपली रिसाइकलिंग एंड एल्यूमिनियम कैन सेव enough electricity to power a television for 3 hours. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे we were not knowing but do you know में ये लिखा है दैट आप क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर आप रिसाइकिल करेंगे इसको, एल्यूमिनियम का अगर आप रिसाइकिल करेंगे तो क्या होगा, दैट यू आपके इतना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बढ़ेगा, पावर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इतना पावर में आ जाएगा दैट आपका जो टेलीविज़न है वो 3 hours तक चल सकता है विद दैट. नाउ यहाँ पे लेटेस्ट डू में क्या है वो देखते हैं. फाइंड वेज टू रिड्यूस द वेस्ट प्रोडक्शन इन योर स्कूल एंड होम एंड डिस्कस दिस वेज विद योर क्लासमेट्स एंड टीचर्स. सो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, अभी वी आर नॉट इन स्कूल तो वी कैन नॉट डिस्कस, बट यू कैन शेयर विथ मी दैट हाउ यू कैन रीयूज थिंग्स, हाउ व्हाट थिंग्स यू वांट टू रिड्यूस इन योर डेली लाइफ, कि हम यू रिड्यूस कर दें, है ना. So now I will continue from the book and I will explain from the book, and then in the end I will show one video to you. Okay students, so now this chapter is also complete. So tomorrow you will get the question answers, and then after that abhi exams pass aa rahi hai, then we will start the revision of the chapters. Okay students, so saving our environment, now you have to come on the page number 121. I have explained, and now I'm going to explain it from the book. So it is very important to keep our environment clean. We can keep our environment clean by adopting various methods. Okay, so everyone knows that keeping our environment clean is so important, and we can apply also different method, that is recycle, reduce and reuse, as I have said earlier. ठीक है, the best way to keep our environment clean is by recycling waste material. It handles the problem of disposing of the waste, especially non-biodegradable waste. Recycling means making waste material fit for use by changing its original form by specialized methods. There are several things which can be recycled, for example, plastic, glass, paper. So, जैसे कि मैंने बताया आपको, recycling means that you have to recycle it. You have to reuse the waste material and not reuse it, but you have to dispose the waste material and they can produce some things like हम अगर non biodegradable waste को हम dispose करते हैं तो then we get manure. So this is called recycling, the process of recycling. or in this we recycle waste material, ठीक है, fit for use by changing its original form by specialized method, ताकि हम इनके original form को change कर सकें और कुछ किसी specialized method से. सो देयर आर सेवरल थिंग्स विच कैन बी रिसाइकल. तो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो रिसाइकल हो सकती है, जैसे प्लास्टिक हो गया, ग्लास हो गया, पेपर हो गया. थिंग्स मेड ऑफ आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम, brass can also be recycled. So we should sell all such old things to कबाड़ी वाला और junk dealer. कबाड़ी वाले को junk dealer भी बोलते हैं. So we will sort them and sell them to people who will recycle them. Okay, so these all things can be recycled. So that's why we sold it to कबाड़ी वाला और junk dealer, ताकि वो उनसे recycle करके कुछ बना सके. Now we have reduce. So we should try to reduce the production of waste. We can reduce the amount of waste by using things intelligently. तो obviously reduce मतलब अगर हम if we want to try तो हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें reduce कर सकते हैं. Instead of using like I am giving you an example, this will easily explain this reduce word, reduce of waste material. See, instead of using plastic when we have any program, then we use plastic disposals. So instead of that, you can use leaves plate and katori which is made of leaves, things which is made of leaves, है ना. So instead of using plastic disposals, you can use that. So this is one thing which will help to reduce the use of plastic. And other things you can also suggest me, and you can send me on the WhatsApp. In the reuse. Apart from recycling, with a little innovation, we can reuse different items at home. For example, cola cans, old plastic jars can be decorated with paper, lace, and used as a pen holder. Old clothes can be used as a duster. They can be used to make shopping bags, covers, or old boxes or dish racks. Now turn the page. We have reuse. Old buckets can be used as a dustbin. Waste materials like cans, bottle, etc. can be used to make a number of beautiful things to decorate your class of house. So reuse से क्या समझ में आता है, जो भी आपके पास वेस्ट मटेरियल है आप उसको रीयूज़ करिए. जैसे यहाँ पे कुछ एग्जांपल्स दिए हैं. ओल्ड क्लोथ्स हो गया, तो आप ओल्ड क्लोथ्स को एज ए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, डस्टर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. यू कैन मेक ओल्ड कवर्स, यू कैन मेक पॉलीथिन ऑफ क्लोथ, ठीक है, और आप रैक्स की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं उन्हें. एंड देन वी हैव, आप अगर आपके पास अगर ये कोको कोला कैंस हैं या कुछ जार्स है तो यू कैन यूज़ एज पेन होल्डर, और कोई ओल्ड बकेट्स हैं तो यू कैन यूज़ देम एज अ डस्टबिन. तो बहुत सारे यूजेस होते हैं. तो आपको ये भी, दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क दैट यू हैव टू टेल मी दैट what waste material you can reuse. ठीक है, so take the material which can be recycled. So do you think that poly bag can be recycled? So yes, they can be recycled. Glass can be recycled, yes. Paper, yes. Iron pieces, yes. These all things can be recycled. Yes, है ना. Okay.
Hello, I am the Earth. Yup, the very planet you live on. There are 3 words which start with the letter R, which I love. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Do you know why I love them so much? because they are almost magical words. They can make all living things, as well as myself, be happier. I said that they are almost magical because without your help, it won't work. They need all of you children in order to do the trick. Each and every one of you are the real 3 R's magicians, those 3 words which can change the world. Do you want to know how? Yes? Well, let's find out. The first R is for reduce. If you think about it, there are many things you don't need. When you go to the supermarket, I'm sure you can take your own canvas bags instead of using disposable ones given to you. Like that, you will be reducing the amount of plastic, which is very contaminating. And I'm sure that you don't need to print out so many documents or photos, nor leave lights, television, or computers on when you're not using them. If you remember this, you'll be reducing the amount of paper being used as well as energy, and in turn will be helping to reduce the contamination. And these are just a few examples. I am sure you can think of many more different ways to reduce what you are using or creating unnecessary waste. The following question will help you with this task. Do I really need this, or is this just a whim? The second R is for recycling. Now, it is easier than ever to recycle things we don't need anymore so that they can be reused. Near your home, you can find places like the recycling station and containers for cans, plastic, paper, or organic waste. They each have specific colors to make it easier to identify. By using them, you will avoid contaminating nature, the rivers and seas, as well as the atmosphere, which is the air we breathe. And finally, we have the third R, which refers to reuse. How many things do you think we can reuse again and again instead of throwing them away? Let's see. A piece of paper that has only one side printed on, a carton box, a plastic bottle. You think now. With just a little bit of imagination, I'm sure you can come up with many more exciting and fun new uses for them. And remember, if you apply the 3 R's rule, you will make me a much cleaner planet with less contamination and where we can all enjoy a better life. Because, as you know, children can make the world of difference.